Hey people, Gospel Guitarist here. Just a really quick short video. I already have things installed, so I won't be going through the install process live. But this is about the 11 rack editor. For those of us using the 11 rack, if you have to reboot and reset up your Windows 10 machine, I don't know about the earlier versions, but with Windows 10, when you download the 11 rack software, it comes with and insists on installing an old version of iLOK License Manager, which it needs to run. So you download the software. This is a very specific procedure. You download the software, you run it, and let it install the old iLOK software. But then it's going to ask to reboot the machine. Do not reboot your machine. Go to the iLOK website and download this new version of the manager and then install it. Once that's finished, reboot your machine. Once you're back into your machine, relaunch the 11 rack editor software installer. The installer will see that you have iLOK installed now. It can't tell the difference between the old and the new, but it's going to screw it up if you try to use the old one. So it's going to see the new versions installed, and it's going to go ahead and install the 11 rack editor. And then when you launch the editor, it will work properly. Okay, so don't rely on the software from Avid. You need to update the iLOK License Manager before you install 11 rack editor. Okay, so once you get it installed and you click to run it, you should get this, your 11 rack editor, with any luck. Being Windows, yeah, I've had issues, and so have many others, and I did find a video out there on YouTube that the guy does go, from beginning to end, going online, finding the software. I'm just doing a really quick and dirty version of it, because mine's already installed, and I really don't want to uninstall it and go through that and possibly mess it up. So this is what you should wind up with, a working version of the 11 rack. So if you're running into problems with it and you can't get it to work, try that. So thanks for watching. Hope you find it helpful and hope it works for you. So have a good day.